Welcome to today's cryptocurrency news. Cryptocurrency prices today.
The price of Bitcoin, BTC, to US dollar, USDT, has increased by -1.96% compared to the previous day, while the price of Ethereum, ETH, to USDT has decreased by -2.88% compared to the same day last year, and the price of Binance Smart Chain, BNB, to USDT has increased by 0.65% compared to the same day last year.
Latest news.
Visa completes digital Hong Kong dollar pilot test with HSBC and Hang Seng Bank. Visa has completed a pilot test with HSBC and Hang Seng Bank in collaboration with the Hong Kong Monetary Authority, HKMA, to explore the potential of tokenized deposits for secure and efficient financial transactions. The pilot tested two key use cases, including interbank B2B payment processes for property payments and settlements between payment institutions and merchants. The results demonstrated accelerated payment speeds, enhanced settlement risk management, improved control, and increased transaction transparency. Visa is committed to further exploring the applications of tokenized deposits, with a strategic focus on asset market tokenization, programmable finance, expanded retail solutions, and cross-border payments. The pilot program provides valuable insights for the application of central bank digital currencies, shaping the future of the payments ecosystem. Ethereum NFT trading card of NBA rookie Victor Wembanyama sells for over $110,000. An NBA rookie card featuring Victor Wembanyama has sold for over $110,000 on an Ethereum NFT, surpassing the previous record sale for a physical card. The single-edition unique digital card was released by Soar NBA, an officially licensed fantasy basketball game. The card featuring San Antonio Spurs player Wembanyama sold for 61.182 ETH, or approximately 110 million at the time of the auction. The platform, which launched in 2019, has introduced league-specific games and has generated over 60 million in NFT sales to date. Soar has raised a 680 million Series B funding round in 2020, valuing the company at 4.3 billion. Bitcoin mining stocks soar as BTC trades near 17-month high. Bitcoin mining stocks experienced significant gains on Thursday as Bitcoin, BTC, traded around its 17-month high. US-listed mining companies such as Marathon Digital, Mara, Riot Platforms, Riot, and CleanSpark, CLSK, saw their stocks rally by 10% to 15% during the day. The Dow Jones Industrial Average recorded its best day since June. Crypto-related stocks benefit from improving sentiment on Wall Street following a dismal October, as traders increasingly bet on the Federal Reserve ending its historic interest rate hiking cycle. The S&P 500 and Nasdaq equity indexes advanced for the second consecutive day as investors continued to digest Fed Chair Jerome Powell's slightly dovish remarks on Wednesday and the decision to leave rates unchanged for the second consecutive month amid signs of easing inflation and decreasing labor costs. Coinbase also closed the day with an 8.7% advance, but some of those gains were pared back after the cryptocurrency exchange reported lower trading volumes in Q3. Meanwhile, BTC hovered around the 35,000 mark, just off its highest price level since May 2022. Ether, the second largest crypto asset by market capitalization, down nearly 2% over the past 24 hours. The CoinDesk Market Index, CMI, a proxy for the broad crypto market, declined 1.3% over the same period. U.S. law enforcement seizes 44 million in cryptocurrencies from New Jersey drug ringleader. Federal law enforcement has seized 44 million worth of cryptocurrencies from Christopher Castellazzo, the leader of a notorious New Jersey drug ring. The funds were discovered in crypto wallets belonging to Castellazzo and his co-conspirators. The seizure is due to the funds being connected to the drug trafficking operation that was active between 2010 and 2005. Castellazzo was originally busted in the drug ring and served a 200-year prison sentence. In prison, he discussed his crypto strategy, including plans to evade taxes and liquidate his holdings outside the country. The funds were found in various crypto wallets, including Ethereum, Solana, Cardano, and Bitcoin. Total value locked is a terrible metric for DeFi success, says Tushar Jain. Tushar Jain, managing partner at Multicoin Capital, has criticized the use of total value locked, TVL, as a metric for measuring the success of a blockchain or its applications in the decentralized finance, DeFi, sector. Jain argues that TVL can be easily manipulated and gives a false sense of precision, and that it does not take into account the liquidity of assets. He urging serious investors to stop using TVL as a metric, as it can be misleading, and instead focus on the number of people building new projects and the number of users interacting with them. Aragon Association to dissolve and distribute 1.45 million to token holders. Aragon Association to distribute 86,343 Ether to token holders. The Aragon Association, the governing body for the Aragon OS software, will dissolve and distribute most of its assets to token holders. The organization will distribute 86,343 Ether, approximately 1.45 million at the current price, through a smart contract on the Ethereum network. Each token holder will receive 0.0025376 ETH, $4.57 at the current price, per ENT they send into the redemption contract. The funds will be distributed to cover outstanding obligations and mitigate against regulatory uncertainty. The team will reorganize as a company and create a product council to help guide decisions about product development. The organization tried to vest control of the treasury directly in the hands of ENT holders, but a volatile gap between the value of the treasury and the token market cap prevented this attempt from being successful. The team launched a base network version of its DAO creation tools on August 9. Argentine presidential candidate's Bitcoin mining proposal sparks controversy. Argentina's presidential candidate Sergio Massa has proposed using excess natural gas from the Vaca Muerta oil fields to mine Bitcoin. The idea was presented by computer scientist Santiago Siri, but the proposal has met skepticism from Bitcoin miners and advocates. The CEO of a startup that runs a Bitcoin mining operation in Vaca Muerta explained the infrastructure needed, including reliable internet, efficient machines, and technical knowledge, and noted that mining is now a high-cost activity with tight profit margins. The NGO Bitcoin Argentina has hosted an online forum where participants argued that BTC mining is too complex and competitive for the government to get involved. The organization supports increasing Bitcoin's hash rate and mining activity, but believes specialized private companies are better positioned to take on the investment risks. Critics suggest that state-sponsored Bitcoin mining requires expertise the government lacks, and propose private-public partnerships as an alternative model. The proposal signals increasing mainstream acceptance of Bitcoin in Argentina, but the risks of state-sponsored mining outweigh the potential benefits, according to local cryptocurrency community. Blockchain technology could revolutionize copyright administration, says Texas A&M professor. Professor Peter Yu at Texas A&M University School of Law has published research on the potential of blockchain technology in the field of copyright administration. The study suggests that blockchain could significantly change the way intellectual property is managed both domestically and internationally. The immutability of blockchain makes it an ideal candidate for integration with the intellectual property system, as once a transaction is recorded, it is virtually impossible to alter the record. Other benefits of blockchain include traceability, transparency, and disintermediation. The technology can support global cooperation even in the absence of participation or support from governments or intergovernmental bodies. The research speculates that these benefits could lead to an artist or business-led copyright system where intellectual property is potentially registered and mediated independently of the state. Apex Legends collaborates with Post Malone for in-game event. Apex Legends has partnered with Grammy-winning musician Post Malone for an in-game event starting November 10th. The event will feature a new limited-time mode called Free Strikes, and players will have 3 chances to be the last squad standing. In Free Strikes, players will lose one of their 3 strikes and respawn at a new location with all their gear. Players can earn up to 285 in-game camo credits per day by completing challenges and using them to unlock cosmetic items. Players can watch partnered Twitch streamers play Apex Legends during the event from November 7th to 19th to unlock post Malone cosmetics. The free-to-play shooter, launched in 2019, has seen more than 1 million total players across platforms. 3 upcoming blockchain games to launch on Immutable zkEVM network. Immutable has announced that 3 of its upcoming blockchain games, Gensokishi Online, Cursed Stone, and Soar, will be deployed on the Immutable zkEVM network. The Immutable zkEVM is a gaming-centric Ethereum scaling network built using Polygon's zkEVM technology and is fully compatible with the Ethereum virtual machine. This allows games and apps to handle larger volumes of transactions with lower costs than Ethereum's mainnet. Gensokishi Online is a metaverse-native reincarnation of the popular Elemental Knights online game, while Cursed Stone is a 3D open-world massively multiplayer online role-playing game, MMORPG, that will enable players to own and trade dynamic NFT assets. Soar is a Web3 game inspired by naval skirmishes and fantasy epics, allowing players to convert their in-game items into NFTs and trade them on the open market, as well as earn tokens for playing across multiple game modes. Immutable launched the zkEVM testnet in August, with a full mainnet rollout planned for the future. Brave browser launches AI tool Leo with Anthropic's AI model. Brave, a privacy-focused internet browser, has launched Leo, an AI tool that utilizes Anthropic's AI model. Leo is available in the Brave browser for desktop and mobile and can translate, analyze, and rewrite pages. The tool is built with flexibility in mind and allows different models to run. Brave's CTO and co-founder Brian Bondi said that Anthropic used Brave's Search API to train and optimize their latest model, Claude 2. Leo is a companion that helps make sense of the web and works without recording user chats or using user inputs to train its AI model. The tool can analyze pages behind firewalls, paywalls, and otherwise unavailable content. Leo censors harmful responses and will decline to answer what is deemed illegal or dangerous according to Brave and Anthropic's policies. DeFi platforms experiment with trading fees as focus shifts to revenue generation. Uniswap Labs has generated $764,000 in revenue since introducing fees on some trades, indicating a shift in DeFi's focus towards revenue generation. Other DeFi platforms such as Osmosis, Blur, and Hashflow have also received proposals to implement trading fees. Uniswap Labs began charging fees on specific asset pairs and is expected to generate tens of millions annually. A protocol-level fee proposal from GFX Labs stalled earlier this year. Hashflow implemented its own protocol-level trading fee after a governance vote. Some in the DeFi space are convinced about fees, but not everyone is. A zero-fee automated market maker built on Arbitrum believes the protocol can generate revenue without trading fees if it scales up enough. Validation Cloud launches staking-as-a-service platform for institutions. Validation Cloud, a Web3 infrastructure platform, has introduced a staking-as-a-service platform designed for institutions. The platform allows institutions to deploy validators in bulk and earn rewards through smart contract automation. It is non-custodial and offers on-demand staking. Validation Cloud is SOC 2 compliant, a voluntary compliance standard defined by the American Institute of Certified Public Accountants, which upholds high data security standards for companies based on 5 principles. The platform's features address the unmet needs of institutional staking partners, such as the ability to stake client assets on demand and automatically split rewards transparently on-chain. Validation Cloud's Chief Security Officer, Alex Nwaka, highlighted the significant market implications of institutions entering the staking space, including an exponential increase in the amount of assets being staked and a shift in service provider requirements, specifically performance, scale, and compliance.
Thank you for watching today.
Bless the audience to make a lot of money in the currency circle. It is hoped that the audience can grasp investment opportunities, invest rationally, and earn reasonable returns. At the same time, the audience is also reminded that investment is risky and needs to be treated with caution, and they should not blindly follow suit or overtrade.